touching that.
All that hard work.
What are you? Some kind of troll or something?
Rolf is not amused! Hee-haw! Hee-haw! You're crazy? Do not fool Rolf! I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small. Couch potato egg boys like yourself.
What? And ruin all this frustration?
Do not fool Rolf!